How to make a new user with the same phone on Temu. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. It will land you on this page. Tap on You at the bottom. Right here you can see that I have already created one Temu account through my Google account. So in order to add a new user, what you want to do is scroll down and head over to settings. Right here you need to make sure that the country and the currency is set to US and USD. Once it is done, head over to Switch Accounts. You will be able to see the account that you have created before. Tap on Add Account. Right here you need to create one new account. You can create your account through your Google account, Facebook account or Twitter account. Let me tap on Continue with Google. Choose the specific Google account in which you want to create a new account. There you go, your new Temu account has been created successfully. Just scroll down and head over to Settings. Tap on Switch Accounts. In this page, you will be able to see all the accounts that you have created. You just need to tap on the Google account that you want to use and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can make a new user with the same phone on Temu. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.